Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. And somebody sent me this file. They want to cut this out on a vinyl cutter. They need the inside of the O and the outside of the white. So basically the inside of the white and outside of the white. And they were talking about the boundary tool, and you don't have to do that because the boundary tool is not going to get on the inside. So we're going to take the white. I'm going to see how big this thing is. It's over 8 inches, so I'm going to set my nudge factor on 9. The reason it's blue is because the blue t-shirt it's going to go on. I'm going to nudge the white out of the way. Now, instead of using the boundary tool, which you'd have to break all this apart and everything, just take a rectangle and fill it in with any color and nudge it over. I'm actually going to nudge it over twice. Nudge that over twice. Now you have this. Now let's go and left click, right click, go ahead and turn that into a hairline, go up to object, and a lot of times break apart doesn't show up till you actually click on another time. Break the curve apart. Let's get rid of this box, get rid of this box, and nudge this back over, and then nudge them back over to the other one. Now you have a red hairline around the white and on the inside of the red. So if we take the blue away, that's what it's going to look like cut out, but the white is white because of the fact that it is got white color in it. I'm going to go put it on a yellow. So that's what it's going to look like. I'm hoping that's what he was asking. Anyway, hope that helped. Thank you for watching.